Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will talk about how to run Windows XP in a VM. So I already talked about how to set up a VM, but today we're going to go over how to set up Windows XP. So first, you're obviously going to need the ISO. I explained that if you do not have an ISO, then it will not boot up because that's what it's used to install Windows XP. So if you're using VirtualBox or VMware, it will ask you to set what version or what operating system it is. In VMware, it will automatically give you a name, but in VirtualBox it won't. But VirtualBox will automatically set it to the Windows version or operating system you type if it's on the list. Anyways, after you select your ISO and your name, select how much gigabytes of free space you want to give it. If you're not going to install anything and just want to experience Windows XP, then just go with the default, I guess. But if you're going to install some stuff, maybe you can leave it at the default. It's enough for you, but you can change it. After you're done creating your VM, you can adjust some settings, but we don't need to right now, so yeah. After that, you can boot up the VM. After booting up the VM, you will be in the Windows XP installation. Press Enter to continue, agree to the license, and I don't know what it does. I think after it asks you to format the partition, how you're going to do that, format it using NTFS because that's what Windows uses nowadays. And it's much more stable than FAT, I think. I don't know. Just use NTFS. After that, it will format. It won't be formatting on your actual computer. It won't be doing that. It will just be formatting the virtual hard drive. After you do that, what do you do? Okay. After that, I think it will do some other stuff, then it will restart. After it restarts, you'll be in the graphical Windows user interface. The reason why you were in the graphical Windows user interface before, graphical Windows user interface, GUI, or whatever it's called, is because you have to format your partition. Yeah, you had to. It's not like you... Okay, let's just get going anyways. After that, you're going to... You can mess with the settings again because you can when you're actually in Windows XP. After that, you're going to need a product key. I might link a product key in the description or put a product key in the description. I don't know very well. Anyways, after you type in your product key, you are asking you for a name and for your computer. You can just keep it at the default because, yeah, why would you need to do that? It's kind of useless anyway. But you can name it whatever you want. No, it will ask you for your name after. I forgot. It will ask you for your name. You can just type anything you want. I mean, not after you enter your product key. Before the product key. Yeah. Anyways, it's after it will start to install some stuff it needs. After that, it will restart and you'll be in the setup where it plays that Windows XP welcome music, like the OOBE. It's called OOBE. You can listen to the legendary music where you go for the setup. After that, I think it'll prompt you something about your screen resolution, and if you want to change it to be a bit higher because it's low by default. So after that, you now have Windows XP installed. Congratulations! And if you found this helpful, leave a like. If you didn't, or just want to dislike, you can dislike. And also, if you have any ideas, please just comment in our community. The tab is called Post. So please just comment in our community because I can never get the comments leaking on these videos. Yeah, because it would just say comments are disabled, even though I have comments on, or comments are turned off. I don't know how to fix that, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and bye-bye. Time to end.